This is my unsponsored skincare routine, so yeah, these are the products that I genuinely use every single day. Ow, I got it in my eye. Okay, we washed her off. My skin feels like a baby's ass. Oh, there's little duckies. Wait, it's like a little family. All the ducks are flying away. Wait, can ducks fly? Those are ducks, and they're flying away. Hey guys, it's Alessya. Welcome back to my channel. You guys have been begging, pleading even, for this updated skincare routine. And like the first one, I'm sorry it took so long. I just had to get my shit together. I guess my shit's still not together, but we're still here. I'm just gonna get straight to the point. I had really bad acne about 4 years ago. Insert picture here. I did not want to even leave my house. I was just too embarrassed. Full coverage foundation saved my life, but other than that, I was using St. Ives Clean and Clear. Yeah, you could see where that got me. And my first skincare routine that I posted, that was when I decided to switch to calming products and like products on the more natural side. And that's essentially what cleared my skin. And I still have acne-prone skin. I did go on birth control for my acne because it was mainly hormonal. But still, when I get my period, it flares up. Sometimes I forget to take my pills and it flares up. And sometimes it flares up because I eat like shit. But the skincare game is on 10, so that will never be an issue, I guess. So my skincare routine right now consists of products that I've been like discovering for the past 2 years, and they're just the products that I like the most and that work well for my acne prone skin. I also have combination skin, so in the winter it gets so dry, but then in the summer it gets so oily. I just want one or the other, you know? I also had really bad acne on my shoulders and like going into my arms. Insert picture here. I didn't want to leave my house, especially in the summer, because I like wearing, you know, even in the winter, actually, I like wearing tops like these. Not out, but it would show my shoulders and I'd get very insecure. And I'm going to show you what fixed that. I'm not going to use it in this video, but I'm going to show you what fixed that. I'll be back. Also, not to mention, my back acne and my chest acne was really bad as well at that time. And this bitch, even though she's holding on for dear life, she saved my life. And basically what was on my arms was keratosis pilaris. And that is what KP stands for. That's what this is for, essentially. But it also did help with my back and chest acne. You could get it at Sephora. It is pretty expensive, but I was really just taking anything at that point. Oh, there's little duckies. Wait. It's like a little family, guys. They're all just kind of roaming around and it's really cute. Okay, I don't know why it's still zoomed. So basically what I'm looking for my skincare routine right now is to prevent acne, to get rid of the little patches of acne I do get. Moisture is key for me. I like my skin to be moisturized and glowy. It absorbs my makeup so much better. Why don't we just get into it? So first I cleanse my face with the CeraVe Acne Foaming Cleanser. I actually can't believe I just discovered this last year. Like, where have you been all my life? This helps to clear acne and pimples, prevents new breakouts, and it maintains your moisture barrier, allowing your skin to heal from within. I just restocked on this, that's why it looks so juicy and plump right now. Usually, I use like this much. Low-key, my skin looks really glowy right now, and I don't want to put it on, but I'm gonna show you guys. This feels really good on the skin. I can feel it like plumping up my skin. I don't know how to describe it. This is my unsponsored skincare routine, so yeah, these are the products that I genuinely use every single day. Ow, I got it in my eye. I like adding water to it. I feel like it digs deeper in the face. All the ducks are flying away. Wait, can ducks fly? Those are ducks, and they're flying away. Okay, I don't know what's going on. Hi, I'm at the sink and I'm washing it off. Okay, we washed her off. My skin feels like a baby's ass. Next for toner, I go in with the Ordinary Glycolic Acid 7% toning solution. This has been my bestie for a long while. About probably 3 years, maybe 4, maybe 2. I don't know. It's been a while. Also, don't mind that my nose is red. I kind of go ham on my nose when I wash it. I don't like the nose bumps. Which leads me to my next point. I don't only use this for toner. I use this and I interchange them. And this is the Paula's Choice 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant. This gets rid of all of the little bumps on my face. This does smell like literal shit. Like like actual shit. But she absolutely gets rid of my pores. I will walk around smelling like a sack of shit. I don't give a fuck. And this is also a slight exfoliant. This balances uneven skin tones. I only use either or once a day. Listen, I've said this in one of my other videos. If you use cotton pads, stop. Stop immediately. And if you have acne and you use cotton pads, I think I just found the root to all of your issues. Let me actually get a cotton pad out for demonstration. Okay, see her? Yeah. See how there's little, see this? That shit gets onto your face and clogs all of your pores. And you don't see it, obviously. Did you hear that? I threw it in the trash. Anyway, you're gonna wanna start patting your toner into your face. Or whatever you use your cotton pads for, pat the product into your face so it gets into your pores. Next, I go in with 2 serums, the Ordinary Niacinamide and Hyaluronic Acid. These have also been my babies for a long time. Niacinamide helps with so many skin issues. This promotes collagen production, which your skin literally needs. I actually take it in my coffee. And it helps to reduce blemishes, so I like putting it around my nose because that's where I'm prone. And the hyaluronic acid is basically gonna improve your moisture to 10. And it makes your skin really bouncy and it makes you look really youthful. I'm gonna let it sink in. For moisturizer, I go in with the Purple Complex Moisture Balancing Soothing Cream. So I've worked with the brand Numbuzin and I just fell in love with the products. Like, I'm just so glad we found each other. This enhances the skin barrier, which I need in a moisturizer, let me tell you. This also prevents the signs of aging, and it feels so smooth, and it makes your skin look so glowy. I can like rub this into my face all day, I'm not even kidding. With most really penetrating moisturizers, they feel so heavy on your face, but that is so moisturizing, but so light. I don't even feel it. Last step, we cannot forget the sunscreen. I go in with the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel. This is actually their old packaging. I'm just way too scared to run out of it. It's like hanging on for dear life right now. Yeah, I just don't want to run out of her. And I don't really use sunscreen in the winter, which is bad because the sun is still gonna give me wrinkles in the winter. And the reason I shy away from sunscreen is because of the white cast that it gives or the way it feels on my face. But do you see this? This leaves absolutely no white cast and it feels so light on my face. And it's because it's water-based that it gives this such nice glow and gives no white cast. It also has 8 types of hyaluronic acid in it. 8. It's also so soothing on my skin. Like usually I would get red after rubbing my face that much, but look. What? And listen, I don't know if this has anything at all to do with my skincare routine or how it's changed, but I have minor rosacea and it used to be worse than it is now. It would flare up at times of stress, especially to the point where I would actually look like a tomato. But ever since I started my skincare journey, it kind of chilled out a bit. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. I'm like putting good stuff on my face now. I don't know. I shouldn't even be saying this because I don't even know if it's true, but I'm putting it out there. And that is the skincare routine. I know I'm not relevant enough for this, but like, can Hiram react to it? You will not meet someone as passionate about skincare as me. Actually, you might meet a couple people, but I will be up there. So I do my research for you guys. You can just live through me. I'm gonna put every single product in my Amazon storefront, which I will link below, so you guys have everything quick and easy. The skincare also works so well under makeup. It sinks into your skin like a cloud. I have an itch on my back, and I can't reach it. Okay, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know you love my skincare videos, so I know you'll like it. Let me know what other skincare videos you want me to do. I did one with like 15 hacks or tips or tricks, whatever I did. I've done a bunch of skincare videos, but let me know what other skincare videos you want from me. And I love you guys so much. If you try out this routine or any of the products in general, let me know how you like them. I really hope you do enjoy them. But all of these products work like chef's kiss on my skin. And I have acne-prone combination skin. Usually more dry or more oily depending on the season. And yeah, make sure you give this video a fat thumbs up. Thanks. And make sure you're subscribed if you haven't already. If you're not, we may or may not have beef. I may or may not show up to your house tonight. Anyway, yeah, come here you guys. Comment down below what you want to see from me next, and as always, I love you guys and I will see you in the next video.